Vineeth, it's a pleasure having you today. Today we're just going to have a brief discussion about your experiences with skilling. So before we start that, can you introduce yourself and your educational background?
Yeah, sure. So myself, Vineeth, sir. I born in Spicy land of Kerala, Idiki. And up to 8th standard, I studied from Kerala. From 9th standard, we have shifted to Tamil Nadu. And while completing my higher education, I have chosen aeronautical engineering as my bachelor degree. So where I learned about aerodynamics or structural design. So while completing that engineering, I have got more interested in design. But the skill sets what I have learned from college is not enough. So I have chosen skilling. So while choosing skilling, I have opportunities in doing some upskilling projects. By doing upskilling,
Great. So you were searching for programs to upskill, right? What motivated you to enroll with skilling?
Yeah. So while I'm searching for, I have searched a lot of programs in Google, like working on with some industry-oriented projects and some projects that giving on my current company requirements to bridge the gap between me and the industry. So that motivated me to choose skilling as their two course path.
Okay. So which program did you take and what stood out to you about the course content itself?
So basically, as I'm from aerospace department, sir. So to get opportunity in aerospace, we need to know about designing, CAE and CFD. So skilling is a best platform. We are offering 3 years a best platform in automotive related to automotive. So I have combined all the program, some program in designing, some program in CAE, and some program in combining this, the industry suggested me some program that will be aligned with my current skill sets. So I have chosen 3 programs. CAE and CFD.
Alright, great. And how was the learning experience different from your typical college education?
Yeah, in college I have learned about only the basic tool handling, sir, and some theory. So where I learned about how the theoretical thing works. But in skilling I have learned that in a practical way. So in a manufacturing way. So suppose if I want to design, so whatever the product that we can design, it's not manufacturable. But skilling taught me how to design the product in a manufacturable way. So this helped me to choose the program from skilling, and it helped me to gain skills relevant to industries.
Okay, all right. Can you walk us through some of the projects, like you mentioned about manufacturability, like how exactly did that happen for you through the projects?
Yes. So coming into the one program in plastic design, we have automotive plastic design using CAFIA. So there we will be working on with plastic materials. So how the plastic materials is going to be manufactured, like what are the different types of moldings available. So according to mold, how we develop the part model, so patterns. So by considering considering the engineering behind the mold. So what material you have to use, what are the different types of plastics available. So accordingly, what drafting angle we have to follow, tooling feasibility, design format. That we have learned about plastic design and how to design the mold as well. For example, like coin holder, some door panels, some seat trims. They taught me some projects relevant to that. So it helped me to develop the knowledge and how to use the software as well.
Okay, great. So how did skilling help you or support you in preparing for the placements and interviews?
Before getting into the placements, I received a call from placement team. They given me up to 20 days of timing to prepare myself. So what I have learned through the entire course, they asked me to go through the projects and engineering behind the product. And they given me some PDF materials. So to cover up the basic things what I have learned from the engineering about, like for example, castings, engineering, material science, part modeling, so some how the product is manufacturable. So many PDF they have shared, and some engineering behind the product. So I have go through all the PDFs, and I have go through all the videos once again and projects. I thought they given me some days for preparing tool as well. So the 20 days of timing given from them helped me to prepare myself once again and revise to myself. And they helped me to prepare my profiles like resumes, portfolio, and LinkedIn profiles, which helped me to shortlist my profile in a quicker manner. So once I informed them, I have prepared courses. So within the 2 to 3 weeks, they referred my profile, and within 1 week, they given me 2 opportunities. So this helped me to opportunities in implement. So placement team were really good in helping the preference and as well as maintaining the profits.
Good to hear that. Can you walk us through your last interview process at Clamp India Technologies?
Yeah. Before entering the Clamp India Technology, I have got one experience in Shion MNC. That is the first interview I got from Skilling. So through that, I have got experience in how the interviews will looks like and what is the structure for engineering and what questions they will be asking. So first round they conducted was HR round. So they will be collecting us a few ideas why we choose, and basically I am from aerospace department. They asked me why chosen into aerospace. So placement team have given some idea like how to answer for this kind of questions. So from the first experience itself, I have got opportunity, major ideas how to answer in the interviews. But unfortunately, I not selected in the first committee. I got up to third round. Maybe in the tool test, I'm not shortlisted. But in the second round, next day, once I attended the next interview, then after 2 days, I got opportunities in clamping the technology. So while attending the interviews in the clamping the technology, I have prepared a lot about tools. So that is where I want to focus more. In the clamping the technology, first thing they conducted a HR round. Second, they have conducted a tool test where they given a projects relevant to food. They given how to design the truck food. So we done through NXCAD. So already we have done projects by using sheet metal NXCAD. Same project they have given for truck. So the previous experience of the projects helped me to complete the project shortly and effectively and efficiently. So in the tool test itself, they were satisfied with me, and they conducted finally a technical test. They were asked some relevant basics of engineering, what I have learned, and what is the engineering behind the manufacturing. So given some real-time examples. Okay, I answered well. This helped me to crack opportunities in clamping technology.
Great. So, what would you say are the expectations from fresh graduates like yourself from these companies?
So what they are expecting is we need to be pro in a software, not only in software, engineering behind the product. So they are asking why we are giving these values, why this practice. So while we completing this process, they are asking this kind of questions. So what I will be requesting the fresher is please to know what is the engineering behind the product, what is the manufacturing feasibility behind that, and they need to be actively in taking responsibilities. Need to work on with the test-oriented projects. So this kind of things will be helpful. Will be the cracking for the opportunities, and technically they need to be strong in basics.
Okay. Great. Any other advice you would like to give to students or professionals considering skilling for their upskilling education?
I'm really satisfied with the content, sir. So the way they structured the program from basics to advanced level, that is really good. So even if they want to start a fresher, or the person who didn't have experience in software, so didn't have any experience in previous experience, the course content what we have designed is really satisfying. So if they are consistent in a time, they can complete the project as soon as possible, and they can go for the placements. So consistency is matters. So how many efforts we are putting, so accordingly we can get the benefits of it. So that is what I'm asking for the questions.
Great. That's a good advice, basically for future people who are looking to upskill. And thank you again for choosing Skilling as your upskilling partner. And all the best in your future, Vineeth.
Sure, sir. Thank you for giving me the guidance to choose the right platform to upskill myself. So really happy for me.